It's mango season, so let's make some mango cookies first. Peel and make puree of the mangoes and let's bake. I'm Charity and welcome to my cookie spree. As I said, today we are making some mango cookies. For this recipe, I just used half of the mango that I had chosen. The puree was about 100 ml. I would really like to advise that when you're putting in vanilla, please put just a little to avoid it overshadowing the tropical mango flavor. This was the outcome of the dough. Please check my banana cookie recipe to see how I portion these cookies. And this is the beautiful, amazing outcome. Bye.